the early Satavahana kings. SIMUKHA, the first king. SIMUKHA is regarded as the founder of the Satavahana dynasty. He is also known by other names like SRIMUKHA, SISUKHA, SINDHUKA. SIMUKHA is described as SRIMUKHA Satavahana Sirimata. From this it is evident that the dynasty is not named after SIMUKHA but from Satavahana as per the description of his name. The Puranas says Satavahanas are ANDHRA BRITYAS. SIMUKHA was under the suzurinity of the Mauryas. After the death of the Asoka, he took advantage and consolidated its position in the Deccan and paved the way for his son independence. DHanakada, the modern Dharanikota near Amaravati in Andhra Pradesh, was his first capital. Later, he shifted his capital to Paithan or PRATISTHANA in Aurangabad district. Since the Aurangabad district, the Paithan was centrally located and it is a well-established trade center for the Deccan as well as the western as well as the eastern parts through sea and other places. It is a centralized place in the Deccan. Since it was a well-known marketplace and also SIMUKHA made this trade very well in his period. SIMUKHA ruled 23 years and died in the year 198 BC. In the early years of his rule, he patronized Jainism, but later he shifted to Brahmanism because after the death of Asoka, it was a trend that everyone is moved towards the Brahmanism. The decisions of the patronizing Brahman by SIMUKHA is, it is well understood that he is politically well understood the situation and realities at that time. And the second king we know is Kanha or Krishna. Krishna, known as Kanha in the inscription, was the younger brother of SIMUKHA. He helped very much his brother SIMUKHA in consolidating his kingdom and also in many acquisitions into the kingdom of Satavahanas. After the demise of SIMUKHA in 248 BC, Krishna took the throne because the SIMUKHA's son was either his minor or he is an independent usurper. It is not clear. But the non-accurate inscription not showing the figurine of SIMUKHA's son. During the rule of Krishna, important developments have taken place in the north and also in the east. In the north, what happens? The PUSYAMITRA Sunga usurped the throne of Magadha. In the east, Karavela took the throne of Kalinga, who became greater threat to all the kings ruling at that time. But Krishna has consolidated and he moved and extended his kingdom towards Deccan and towards Nasik. After Asoka's death, Krishna could overthrow the Mauryas and became independent and declared the great vast kingdom of Satavahanas by himself. A Nasik inscription shows that a Buddhist cave was specially occupied by an officer of the Satavahana Kula who took over all instructions and gave victory to the Krishna. Krishna was succeeded by Satakarni I, who is the son of SIMUKHA.